This is a capture race challenge for white. We're near the end of this playlist on capture race challenges, and we're still seeing this type of problem. So it's supposed to be a pretty hard problem, but as long as we stick to our technique of cutting here, sacrificing, hurry, and throw in, we're going to succeed, because this is the technique that reduces black's liberties the most. So now black cannot connect. If it connects, this will be a 4 liberties versus 3 situation, and white will go on to capture all of these black stones. So that is why the optimal result for black is simply to play a number 10 here and allow white to capture. So now this must feel very repetitive, but once again, this goes to show just how important this technique is in real games. So whenever you see a situation where you can sacrifice a stone, stand down, throw in, and force your opponent to get into potentially this shape, then you should definitely calculate and see what happens. Good luck, and thank you for watching.